If your guests are connecting to the same Wi-Fi as your POS system, you have a serious problem. Here's how to fix it and turn guest Wi-Fi into a revenue machine. Most hospitality businesses set up one Wi-Fi network and share the password. That puts your payment terminals, printers, and back office on the same network as strangers. One infected device and your whole system is exposed. PCI DSS fines start at $5,000 a month. I'm going to walk you through the exact setup that keeps your business network safe, gets you compliant, and captures every guest's email automatically. Step 1, separate SSID. SSID is just the network name guests see. Create a second network name just for guests, completely separate from your staff network. Different name, different rules. Step 2, VLAN isolation. Think of it as a logical wall between guests and your systems. Put that guest network on its own VLAN. Add firewall rules that block guests from ever reaching your internal subnet. They get internet and nothing else. No access to your printers or payment terminals. Step 3, client isolation. This stops guests from seeing each other's devices on the network. It is usually just one toggle in your router dashboard, but it is critical for privacy. Step 4, bandwidth limits. Set a per device cap. 5 to 10 megabits per guest is plenty for browsing and stops one person from killing the connection for everyone else. Step 5, the captive portal. This is where it gets interesting. Run your guest network open, no password. Guests connect, see a login page, and give you their email in exchange for access. Restaurants using this capture an average of 347 guest emails a month. That is 4,000 contacts a year, automatically. The hardware isn't expensive. A TP-Link Omada access point runs around $80. UniFi is around $130. You can have a compliant network running for under $200. If you are on multiple sites, you want a platform that manages all your portals centrally, so a change pushes everywhere. If you want the full step-by-step guide, firewall rules, and GDPR checklist, it's all in the article linked below. And if you want to see how my place handles the captive portal side, there's a free trial waiting for you.